Guys, I'm so bored. It's raining outside. Again.
What to do?
How about the OC? No, Caleb, I'm not watching the OC.
Just no.
There's nothing on.
Oh, Thor!
Yeah. We're not watching that either.
Kayla, what is wrong with you?
I don't know. What if we dance in the rain?
Gosh, Caleb, you're so stupid! Who wants to dance in the rain?
Wait a minute. That's not a bad idea.
In the rain?
You're in the rain!
I think it's a good idea.
Or not.
Let's go dance in the rain!
These are the good times in your life, so put on a smile and it'll be alright. These are the good times in your life, so put on a smile and it'll be alright. My first kiss went a little like this, and twist, and twist.
My first kiss went a little like this, and twist, and twist.
Teachers and no more books. I got a kiss under the bleachers, hoping that nobody looks. Licorice, tongue like candy. Excuse me, miss, but can I get you out your purse? In the back of the car, on the way to the bar, I got you on my lips. I got you on my lips. At the foot of the stairs, with my fingers in your hair, baby, this is it.
You look so fat.
Never get enough once she gets a little